So,
Come on. So,
yes, tell me, what is going on? How do you feel?
I just wanted to go in, like this pitch, I'm not sure.
Okay, stop yapping, get out.
Now let's go back to the penalty.
They are putting it all on the line. Okay,
let's see what's going on now.
I would have put it all on.
Okay. So who's taking the shot first? So Heb against Aryaman. Whoever will come victorious.
Okay. First shooter.
Might as well decide
First shooter
the fate
is
of this
Sohail.
match. Oh
My God, it's a goal.
Perfectly
It's a perfect goal.
Perfectly executed.
Nice one.
Or was it just Aryaman's skill issue? I don't know.
think.
But like, perfectly executed. Come on. Come on.
now.
Abel, please. Referee, sir. Can we get the shot, please? Thanks, bro.
Oh, Nikhil is standing in the.
Hey!
Samuel, get on
Samuel,
the
move.
pitch.
I'll play without.
Oh
It's
my
a
God.
save.
It's a save. Good one, good one. And this is why I told you to go there. Everybody.
Nikhil's happy, I can see. To be honest,
Even I'm going there. Hey, I'm going there. Hey! I'm going there. I'll go to the other side then.
Hey, Aline.
You come here, come this way, come this way.
I'll go straight. No, go to the other side. I'll be here.
I can see the player.
Okay.
You can't change goalie.
So we're having some technical difficulties. So
Technical difficulties
how
being
it
this guy.
goes.
Oh,
It's
He skied
tie.
it. He skied it. Oh, damn.
Now it's equal, right? 1-1.
It is 1-1. Go for
Yes. No. This is the top angle we need.
it. is 1-0.
No, both of them missed. B section also defended.
Ishan, move.
So it's scored.
Oh yeah, sure. 1-0.
So who's scoring?
Now it's Akhil.
Akhil, will he score?
Will he score?
Akhil, don't score.
Let's see. Come on.
Oh!
He missed.
Right into the feet of the goalkeeper.
Feet. Where?
Samuel placing the ball. Loki.
Here comes Aslan.
Rayad.
Rayad.
Will he score?
Will he score? Let's see.
All the hoops.
He's gonna do Hurricane.
What did I
Oh my God! It's Bhaskara's prediction.
Yeah. He went to.
I was there in the match.
Oh,
Seriously?
Yeah.
he sent the ball to use it actually.
He sent the ball back.
1-0 only.
It's coming home.
It's
The ball
com-
is
It's coming home. Will
Now,
one
now
of
the third striker is.
किसके घर?
It's one of the brothers.
Maybe
It's one of the
Naveen.
brothers.
Okay, guys. One of the
Naveen,
brothers.
it's Naveen.
Naveen. Will he score?
Will he score?
No, he won't. No, he won't.
He scored! He scored! He
It's
scored!
1-1. The game is on.
Qatar topper for a reason.
Yeah, 3 shots each and both of them.
The game is on, guys.
This is the decisive.
Oh.
Which game
Come
is on?
on, guys.
Huh?
B section.
Who's on?
Now here comes
Nikhil.
Here comes Nikhil.
Aslan.
B section.
Aslu, come
No,
on.
A section team is building up.
It is very difficult what to say what's gonna happen here.
Goalkeeper.
Here comes Nikhil. Will he score?
He will not.
He scores! He scores! He scores!
Aslan with his wingspan could not reach.
Bro, shut the hell up, man.
Hey, Vivan. So intense.
So, one more to decide this.
This is a deciding goal. If he misses it, it's all. All right, now, macha. He's not Karsi goal, le? He doesn't understand, bro.
On a random, on a nala.
Deciding goal.
Who's
How
the goal?
many people are there?
Where's the goalkeeper?
Here comes Abhinav.
Your glove is like
There's the
goalkeeper.
goalkeeper.
Oh shit.
your glove has been fingered by
Okay, so if he misses this, it's over, right? For A?
The final is against B and C.
C. And yes, we are part of C.
The commentators, your commentators are the part of C.
Now we are not biased.
We are not biased,
Here
but
comes
like,
A. It's the last shot.
is he gonna score? Oh!
He missed! B section.
Oh shit,
no.
B section! Come on now! What do you have to say for yourself? Let's go! Come on now, boy! Go, bro, come on!